Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're focusing on a feature that's crucial for smart risk management and maximizing profits, the trailing stop feature in the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA. The trailing stop is a dynamic tool that automatically adjusts the stop-loss level as the market moves in your favor. Imagine this: you're in a profitable trade, and the market is moving favorably. You want to secure your gains while giving the trade room to grow. That's where the trailing stop comes in. It adjusts your stop-loss as the market moves in your favor, ensuring you lock in profits while still allowing for potential market growth. This feature is particularly useful in volatile and strong trending markets, where sudden reversals can quickly erode gains. We will test the trailing stop feature on MT4 Strategy Tester using the TradePad Pro, which uses the same trade management features as Trading Management Solutions EA. Our EA offers various methods for calculating the trailing stop. One of them is the trailing step. Here, you set a specific number of points. For instance, if you set it to 10 points or 1 pip, the EA moves your stop loss by 1 pip each time the market moves by that amount in your trade's direction. We will open the trade to see how it works in action. As you can see, our stop loss is moving by 1 pip in the direction of our trade as soon as the price moves by 1 pip towards our target profit. Now let's try and see how it works if we open a sell trade. Think of the trailing stop as a safety net that moves with your climbing profits. It's like telling your trade, you can go up as much as you want, but if you start falling, I've got a cushion ready to catch my profits. There's also the trailing deduction option. Here, the EA reduces your stop loss every few minutes or few hours, depending on your chosen frequency. This method allows for a more gradual and time-based approach to managing your trades. In this example, we will set our trailing stop loss to 1 hour since we are on a 1-hour chart. As you can see, the trailing stop is triggered every 1 hour that passes by, which in this case, every candlestick since we are on 1-hour time frame. Each candlestick on this chart is printed every 1 hour. The trailing deduction is very helpful in cases where you want to reduce your risk if the trade is taking too long to hit your target than you anticipated and you want to exit the trade with minimal losses. Another method is the ATR trailing stop. This involves the average true range, a market volatility indicator. You can set a multiplier to this value, and the EA will adjust the stop loss by a factor of the ATR. For example, setting it at 3 means the stop loss is adjusted to 3 times the ATR value. Now, the stop loss automatically moves within our set multiplier, which is 3 times the ATR. It will continue to trail our stop loss based on ATR. This is useful for those traders that wants to automatically adjust their stop loss based on current market volatility. If the market is experiencing high volatility, then that would mean a higher ATR value and a larger stop loss would be needed to avoid getting stopped out prematurely. If the market is experiencing low volatility, then the ATR value will be smaller, thus requiring only a smaller stop loss as well. Next, we have the moving average option. This allows you to trail your stop loss using a moving average. In this example, we will set it to 50 exponential moving average. Let's see how this works in action. As you can see, our stop loss is automatically following our moving average. This is very helpful for those traders that prefer to ride a strong trend and let the moving average be their stop loss. Remember that trailing stop loss can only move in the direction of your trade. So if the moving average starts going down, the stop loss would remain the same until the moving average catches up. And finally, we have partial close. This option allows you to set your trailing stops based on partial take profits. For example, we can enable up to 3 partial take profit targets for our trade, and we will use these targets as our trailing stops. Let's try opening a trade with partial close enabled. As you can see, we have our 3 partial take profits, which we will use as our trailing stops once we hit these targets. Now, let's see what happens when each partial take profits are reached. First, we hit our TP1 target, which means the EA partially closes our trade for profit and our stop loss now moves to our break-even price, which makes our trade risk-free. Next, our TP2 is hit, and that would move our stop loss to the previous TP1 target. This means that even if we hit our stop loss, we are still in profit. Next, our TP3 is hit, and that would move our stop loss to the previous TP2 target. Once we hit our final take profit, our trade will be fully closed for profit. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the trailing stop features in the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA. In conclusion, the trailing stop feature in our TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA is a dynamic and versatile tool for risk management and profit maximization. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering this feature can significantly enhance your trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments section below. Happy trading, and see you in our next video.